Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ogery tabletop fire pit. I had this in my TikTok cart, but ultimately I ended up getting it on Amazon. I think I paid $39.99. I know I've seen them for cheaper, but this is what I paid for it. And this is the blue one. I know it was out of stock for a while. So when it was back in stock, I jumped on it and I got it delivered yesterday. So let's unbox it. Here's the manual. Comes with this cool carrying bag. You can pack it up. And it comes with it. Oh, here it is here. It's snug in there. So here it is here. This is supposed to be safe on all surfaces so it doesn't get hot. It goes in like that. So I won't get into specifics, but this little separator here goes in like that. You put your pellets in there, or your wood chips, or your sticks, or twigs, whatever it is you're going to be burning. So this sleeve falls into there. Once you got your flame going, you put the topper in there, and it's supposed to circle the flame around so you get a nice big flame at the top. Some of the videos I've seen, the flame can get up to like 12 to 16 inches. So I'll be doing a video demonstration later on tonight. I'm going to be burning some wood pellets from pellets that I got in my smoker. So I'll be doing that. This one doesn't come with the scooper. I've seen some that come with a spoon, like a little scooper, so to drop the pellets in, but I'll just be using my hand. So there it is there. This is the Ogery, the blue one. Pretty cool. My buddy's got the stainless steel one, but I think this one's better. All right, guys.